Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I like to show you how you can configure or set up a guest wireless network, or in short a Wi-Fi from your guest on a MikroTik router. Maybe you want to isolate your guest from using your main Wi-Fi. You want them to have their own separate Wi-Fi. So let me show you how you can do that on a MikroTik router. So first we need to reset our router, or you need to reset your router. So go to system, go to reset configuration, select or tick keep user configuration, and then go to reset configuration. So I have already reset my router, so I don't need to do that. Then next, after resetting, come here to quick set here. Then after going to quick set, the default option will be which the router has set as a default will be WISP AP, as you can see. So we need to change this to home AP. So select it, then come here. As you can see, we have home AP here. So select it. Now we have option, or we have configuration, which we have to change. Now the first one here will be our main Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi which we need as our main. So we need to change the name of our main Wi-Fi. So this one you will write, or you will write any name you need, or the name which you want your main Wi-Fi to have. Like mine, I will just write my name, that is Flavian, only Flavian. Remember that, only Flavian. So you can write any name you need. Now also we need our Wi-Fi password. So here we have a Wi-Fi password. So let us write or include a Wi-Fi password like that. As you can see, now it requires 8+ characters. Now after that, come here and then say apply, then okay. Then after that, go back to quick set. As you can see, we are still under home AP. Now this will be our main Wi-Fi network. Now let us set for our guest. Now if you come down here, we have our guest wireless network. So you can select either here, or you can just select this drop down. So let's select here. Now the first default, or the system, the router which have us included, it is just it picked our main Wi-Fi networks, and it just added guests. So it is Flavian guests. So if you are happy with that, you can just leave it as it is, or you can just, as you can see, we can edit, or we can just delete all of them and then include which is you are happy with, or the one which you like. Now if you are happy with that, let's go to the next step. Now the next step will be adding our guest Wi-Fi password. So this one is still 8 characters, like that. Then after including a password, let's go to the next one, which is limiting download speed. If you want your guest to have full speed of the speed which you have, you can just leave it like that. But if you want to limit your guests the speed of which they will be using the Wi-Fi, you can just come here, and then you can write any speed you want. Like I can write like 5 to 56 K. That means they will have a 256 kilobytes per second. That will be their download speed. If you want to increase, you can still increase, like you can put like 1 M. That will mean that they will have the speed of they will be limited up to a speed of 1 megabytes per second. If you are happy with whatever you want, like me, I'll just leave it like 256K. That is 256 kilobytes per second. Now I am happy with that. If you are happy with that, you can just leave it like that. Then you can come here, apply, then you can say okay. Now I have set my, as you can see, now I have my main network here, which is Flavian. Then I have my guests, Flavian guests. Now let's go ahead and show you how that's work. Now let me open my phone. Just give me a moment. Now guys, now guys, if I go to my networks, as you can see, don't mind the one which I am connected with, which is the Flavian hub. Now if we go to the second and the third one, you can see now we have our main, which is Flavian, and then we have the third one, which is Flavian gets. So let us connect, and don't mind the Flavian, the first one. So we are mostly focusing on the guest Wi-Fi networks. So let me connect. Let me connect with this one, with the Flavian, this one, and then let me put my password, and then let me connect. Now as you can see, after connecting, it is showing me here. As you can see, we have the device which is connected, and then we have it is successful that I am connected to my guests. Now let me show you the speed. As you can see, now we have included the speed here so that I can show you how the speed works. Now let me go to the speed test. Now if I go let me refresh. Now if I refresh, as you can see, it will not go under 250 256 kilobytes, so it will just stay around 240 256, somewhere there. If I come here and increase, let me put like 1 MB, like that, and then let me apply and save. Now I have added a limit of 1 megabytes per second. So let me go and connect. If you do that, it will be automatically disconnected from here. So let me connect it again. Now I have connected, and as you can see, now I have connected here. So sorry. So if I go here, so you can see now I have the first one was 240 kilobytes. If I reload, as you can see now the speed has, as you can see now the speed has increased up to 230 kilobytes per second. So the speed will not it will not be exactly 1 MB. It will range like 900, 2050, somewhere there, because the limit will be 1 megabyte. As you can see now we have 910 kilobytes. So that means that's our speed, which we have included here. It is working very fine. So guys, this is the end of my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on my next one.